Greetings my friends. We're delighted to have you on our channel today as we delve into the realm of Kriya Yoga. This age-old technique centers on pranayama meditation and self-realization, allowing you to attain a profound comprehension of your authentic self while also enhancing your physical well-being and spiritual growth. Kriya Yoga has its roots in ancient Indian writings like the Yoga Sutras of Patanjali and the Bhagavad-gita. However, it was the renowned Indian yogi and guru, Paramahansa Yogananda, who brought this life-changing practice to the masses with his renowned work, Autobiography of a Yogi. So sit back, unwind, and let's explore the astounding benefits of Kriya Yoga together. Kriya Yoga as mentioned in the Patanjali Sutras. Patanjali's Sutras contain a wealth of information on Kriya Yoga. Sutras 2.46 to 2.48 highlight the significance of a stable and relaxed physical posture, a fundamental element of Kriya Yoga. Sutra 2.49 underscores the necessity of regulating the breath, which is another crucial facet of Kriya Yoga. If you're interested in the art of breathing, Sutras 2.50 to 2.53 offer comprehensive pranayama techniques, including breath retention and exhalation methods that are integral to Kriya Yoga. Furthermore, Sutras 1.33 and 2.1 to 2.9 emphasize the significance of concentration and meditation in achieving the state of yoga or unity with the self. And interestingly enough, this component of the practice is also emphasized in Kriya Yoga. Thus, if you're keen on exploring Kriya Yoga in greater depth, Patanjali's Sutras are an indispensable source of knowledge. It's fascinating to note that the essential principles and practices related to Kriya Yoga are woven throughout the Yoga Sutras of Patanjali, even if the term itself isn't specifically referenced. These ancient texts underscore the significance of physical postures and meditation in attaining the ultimate aim of yoga, union with the self. The Yoga Sutras provide guidance on how to achieve this state of self-realization through the practice of Kriya Yoga, emphasizing the importance of steady and comfortable physical postures, breath control, and concentration. Furthermore, although the term Kriya Yoga is not explicitly mentioned in the Bhagavad-gita, this sacred text contains numerous passages that describe the principles and practices associated with this life-changing practice. The Bhagavad-gita stresses the importance of meditation, self-awareness, and the attainment of inner peace through the cultivation of a deep connection with the divine. These concepts are at the core of Kriya Yoga, a transformative practice that enables individuals to achieve profound spiritual growth and physical well-being. Overall, the Yoga Sutras of Patanjali and the Bhagavad-gita are timeless texts that offer invaluable insights into the principles and practices of Kriya Yoga. By studying these texts, individuals can gain a deeper understanding of this ancient practice and how it can be incorporated into their lives to achieve greater levels of health, happiness, and spiritual awakening. Kriya Yoga as described in Bhagavad-gita. Chapter 4 of the Bhagavad-gita contains verses 29 and 30, where Lord Krishna stresses the significance of performing actions without attachment to their results, which is the fundamental concept of Karma Yoga. It's interesting to note that this idea of acting without attachment is also a critical principle of Kriya Yoga. Kriya Yoga places emphasis on purifying the mind and detaching oneself from worldly desires, ultimately leading to the attainment of inner peace and self-realization. Detachment from the fruits of one's actions is a potent tool that can be applied to both Karma Yoga and Kriya Yoga. By acting selflessly and without attachment to the outcome, individuals can free themselves from the burdens of ego and desire, allowing them to experience a state of pure consciousness and inner tranquility. This approach to living life, whether through Karma Yoga or Kriya Yoga, enables individuals to transcend the limitations of the material world and gain a deeper understanding of their true selves and the nature of reality. Within the pages of the Bhagavad-gita, Lord Krishna imparts the ancient wisdom of yoga to Arjuna, revealing the secrets of the practice in chapter 6. These teachings, which include the importance of maintaining a steady posture and mastering breath control, align closely with the principles of Kriya Yoga. Chapter 9, verse 2 of the Bhagavad-gita is often regarded as the ultimate secret of yoga, as Lord Krishna speaks of self-realization, the ultimate goal of Kriya Yoga. Although Kriya Yoga is not explicitly mentioned in the text, its core principles and practices are woven throughout, emphasizing the significance of detachment, steady posture, breath control, and self-realization in attaining the state of yoga. Furthermore, Paramahansa Yogananda's autobiography of a yogi has played a vital role in popularizing Kriya Yoga in the Western world. This spiritual masterpiece recounts Yogananda's own journey and experiences with Kriya Yoga, shedding light on the transformative power of the practice and inspiring countless individuals to embark on their own spiritual path. Yogananda's spiritual masterpiece, Autobiography of a Yogi, serves as a guide for those seeking a comprehensive spiritual path in Kriya Yoga. He emphasizes that this transformative practice involves not only physical postures, but also the purification of the mind and body, as well as the awakening of Kundalini, the spiritual energy within. Through a specific sequence of pranayama techniques, including breath retention and visualization, Kriya Yoga aims to activate the chakras and ultimately lead to self-realization. If you are on a spiritual journey and seeking a path to enlightenment, Kriya Yoga may provide a powerful tool to guide you towards inner peace and a deeper connection with the self. The practice of Kriya Yoga is not limited to pranayama techniques alone. It also involves meditation as a means of achieving deeper levels of awareness and inner calm. This powerful practice is known for its ability to facilitate spiritual growth and self-realization, leading to states of profound peace, bliss, and unity with the divine. Yogananda emphasizes the importance of having a qualified guru or teacher to guide the practitioner through the practice of Kriya Yoga, as well as the need for discipline, devotion, and self-effort in order to fully realize its benefits. In Autobiography of a Yogi, Yogananda presents Kriya Yoga as a comprehensive spiritual path that can bring about profound transformation and self-discovery. Through specific pranayama techniques, such as breath retention and visualization, Kriya Yoga helps purify the body and mind and activate the Kundalini energy within. With regular practice and guidance from a qualified teacher, Kriya Yoga can lead to the realization of one's true self and a profound connection to the divine. In addition to physical practices, Kriya Yoga also incorporates meditation as an essential component to help practitioners achieve a calm and controlled state of mind, facilitating access to deeper levels of awareness. The guidance of a guru or teacher is of paramount importance in the practice of Kriya Yoga, as they provide valuable insights and techniques to help practitioners reach their spiritual potential. Kriya Yoga is a renowned spiritual path that has the power to lead practitioners towards experiencing profound states of inner peace, bliss, and self-realization, unlocking their true potential and purpose in life. Origin of Kriya Yoga. The origin of Kriya Yoga is shrouded in mystery, but it is believed to have emerged from ancient spiritual traditions in India. The teachings of Kriya Yoga are said to be associated with the immortal yogi Babaji Nagaras, who has been guiding spiritual seekers for thousands of years. According to legend, Babaji imparted the teachings of Kriya Yoga to various disciples over the centuries, including the renowned 19th century yoga master Lahiri Mahasaya. It is believed that Kriya Yoga has evolved over time and has been influenced by various spiritual traditions. Despite its unclear origins, Kriya Yoga continues to be widely practiced by those seeking spiritual growth and self-realization. Lahiri Mahasaya, also known as Yogiraj Sri Shama Charan Lahiri, played a significant role in the spread of Kriya Yoga during the 19th century. He was a disciple of the revered Kriya Yoga master, Mahavatar Babaji, and is credited with bringing Kriya Yoga to a wider audience in India and beyond. Lahiri Mahasaya was known for his spiritual wisdom and his ability to transmit the teachings of Kriya Yoga to his disciples, who in turn spread the practice to others. One of his most famous disciples was Paramahansa Yogananda, who is widely credited with introducing Kriya Yoga to the Western world through his book Autobiography of a Yogi. Thanks to the efforts of Lahiri Mahasaya and his disciples, Kriya Yoga has become a widely recognized spiritual practice with practitioners around the world. Indeed, Kriya Yoga has gained immense popularity in the modern world as a potent spiritual practice that can lead to significant personal growth and self-awareness. Many organizations and teachers have emerged to teach this ancient technique to individuals who seek inner peace, spiritual growth, and self-realization. Kriya Yoga has also gained recognition in scientific communities for its potential health benefits, such as reducing stress and anxiety, improving mental clarity, and enhancing overall well-being. With its ancient roots and modern evolution, Kriya Yoga remains a valuable practice for those seeking a deeper understanding of themselves and the world around them. Can females practice Kriya Yoga? That's a great question. The answer to the question is yes. Kriya Yoga is a spiritual practice that can be practiced by people of all genders. The techniques and principles of Kriya Yoga are designed to be universal and are not limited by gender. It's great to hear that there have been many female practitioners of Kriya Yoga throughout history, and that they have been able to become teachers themselves. It's important to remember that everyone has the right to practice Kriya Yoga, regardless of their gender, and that the practice can be adapted to suit the needs and preferences of individual practitioners. Benefits of practicing Kriya Yoga. Kriya Yoga is a spiritual discipline that presents a range of potential benefits for the body, mind, and spirit. Among the primary advantages of Kriya Yoga are the following. Firstly, heightened mindfulness and self-realization. Kriya Yoga enables practitioners to silence the mind and reach deeper states of consciousness, resulting in enhanced self-awareness and a profound appreciation of one's authentic identity. Secondly, reduce tension and unease. Research has shown that the practice of Kriya Yoga reduces anxiety and stress levels, resulting in a greater sense of tranquility and inner harmony. Thirdly, enhanced physical health. The pranayama techniques of Kriya Yoga can enhance lung capacity, boost circulation, and fortify the immune system, resulting in improved physical health. Fourthly, improved mental clarity and focus. By practicing Kriya Yoga, one can enhance mental clarity and focus, making it easier to concentrate and achieve desired objectives. Fifthly, heightened spiritual connection. Kriya Yoga can facilitate a deeper spiritual connection with the divine, leading to a greater sense of purpose and meaning in life. Sixthly, increased energy and vitality. Kriya Yoga practice can boost energy levels and promote overall vitality, resulting in a greater sense of well-being. Seventhly, better emotional regulation. Kriya Yoga can help regulate emotions, fostering emotional balance and stability. In summary, Kriya Yoga is a powerful spiritual discipline that presents a range of potential benefits for individuals seeking to strengthen their connection with themselves and the world around them. These benefits include heightened mindfulness and self-realization, reduced stress and anxiety, enhanced physical health, improved mental clarity and focus, heightened spiritual connection, increased energy and vitality, and improved emotional regulation. Key steps of Kriya Yoga. The practice of Kriya Yoga typically involves several fundamental steps or processes. These may vary based on the specific tradition or lineage of Kriya Yoga that is being followed. However, here is a general outline of the practice. Firstly, preparation. Before beginning the practice of Kriya Yoga, it is essential to prepare the body and mind through various cleansing and purifying practices, such as asana, pranayama, and meditation. These practices help to prepare the mind and body for the deeper aspects of Kriya Yoga. Secondly, initiation. The practice of Kriya Yoga is initiated by a qualified teacher or guru who imparts the necessary techniques to the student. This step is essential as it ensures that the student has a correct understanding and guidance to practice Kriya Yoga safely and effectively. Thirdly, techniques. The core practices of Kriya Yoga are the techniques themselves, which involve a sequence of specific breathing exercises, postures, and meditation practices designed to activate the energy centers of the body and facilitate the flow of energy. Fourthly, practice. Consistent and regular practice is essential for the effective development of Kriya Yoga. The practitioner must practice the techniques regularly, following the guidance of their teacher, to achieve the desired results. Fifthly, integration. As the practice of Kriya Yoga develops, the practitioner must integrate the techniques into their daily life. This involves living in accordance with the principles of Kriya Yoga, such as practicing self-awareness, compassion, and service to others. To summarize, Kriya Yoga is a powerful spiritual practice that can bring many benefits to individuals seeking to deepen their spiritual connection, improve their physical and mental health, and cultivate greater awareness and inner peace. This practice involves various techniques and practices that aim to awaken the spiritual energy within, ultimately leading to union with the divine. While the specifics may vary depending on the tradition or lineage, the essence of the practice remains the same: to purify the body and mind and attain spiritual growth. We hope that you have found this information helpful and informative. If you have any further questions or would like to learn more about Kriya Yoga, we encourage you to do your own research or seek out a qualified teacher or guru. Remember that the practice of Kriya Yoga is a powerful tool for spiritual growth and self-realization, and should be approached with humility, dedication, and respect. As a recommendation, we suggest reading the book Autobiography of a Yogi by Paramahansa Yogananda, which provides valuable insights into the practice of Kriya Yoga and the spiritual journey. Thank you again for watching, and we wish you all the best on your spiritual journey.